What is up, my little jelly beans? Today I will be talking about this facial I got done. The facial is specifically for clearing your face. What I mean clearing is more like, any blemishes, scarrings, or any sunspots that I do have. That will help clear everything out and brighten up my face more. I did get a pimple that decided to pop up that morning, as you can tell. So I didn't get to record like the very first step she did to me. The very first step she did, she applied like a soap and she was cleaning my face basically and removing any moisturizer that I had on earlier that day. And then she started to exfoliate my skin with a sponge and getting rid of all the dirt that I had so we can get that out of the way. Then she applied this like other chemical that I don't even know what it does, but that was kind of prepping my skin for the vacuuming. Now this is the vacuuming I was talking about. What this does, it sucks any gunk that's on the first layer of your skin, in your pores, and she did it all over my face, including my nose and my forehead. Afterwards, she did an extraction, I think it's called. So she's kind of like getting into the pores and trying to get any gunk out of the pores, especially that pimple that decided to pop up that morning. And you're not supposed to pick at your skin unless it's done by a professional, and she does this for a living, so I am in good hands. And then within the next 2 days, my pimple was healed. It was perfectly fine. There was no infection, so just letting you know that I am okay. And then she went back with the vacuum and she was doing my nose. This was so satisfying to look at. Look how my nose is just getting vacuumed. But yeah, I was like, oh yeah, minimize those pores please. And then she applied this chemical onto my skin. It kind of sting a little, but it wasn't like super bad or anything. What this was cleaning all the dirt that she just took out from my skin. And then I didn't record when she was applying the mask because I didn't know that she was doing that, so I kind of missed that part. And she applied it with the brush, which is amazing because it feels so good. And it just kind of helps with like, cross-contaminating your face. So yeah. I am wearing this mask. This is the mask that like takes off the blemishes and all the little marks that I have on my face. It's supposed to clear up. This is the first session. I don't want to talk in front of the lady because I was kind of shy and I didn't want to like disturb her working, but right now I have to use this mask for 20 minutes and I don't know, the whole session of this mask facial thing is like an hour long, and right now I think it's been like 30 minutes, I think. Yeah. So everything I am describing on step by step is like from what I remember she was describing to me. So I'm not like super accurate, or I'm not like a pro on like what she is doing to my face. I'm just kind of going like from what I remember she was telling me what she was doing to my skin, and this was how she was removing the face mask after 20 minutes of having it on. And honestly, I feel like I need to invest into those sponges because after a couple days later, my face just felt super soft. Like it just like you have no texture and you just feel like it's just super smooth and you feel super clean. And I really want to get one of those, and I'm pretty sure you can get them like at Target. Then she applied moisturizer and she applied sunblock. Sunblock is very important because you can avoid aging and you can avoid sun marks on your skin, so you don't want any marks or wrinkles, so that is very important to get into your skincare routine. So there's no drastic change on after the facial because she said within the second session I should see more of a change on my skin. So I am planning on having a part 2 for this video to see how my adventure with the facials are going. And this is how my face looks, and I still have like little sun marks like right here, as you can tell. I really do feel like my face has cleared up so much, honestly. And I do have like all these little pimples Like I have this one right here. I don't know if you guys remember when she popped it, and it's already healing, as you can tell right there, and like a little skin right there peeling off. But yeah, so this is, you have to get the mask 3 times. That was my first time getting it, and then within a month I have to go back and get the second one, and then a month later I get the third one. They say that the first time you just feel your face more cleared up, so I can feel like it is from like far away, it looks really cleared up, but when you're like zoomed in, you can tell like my little spots right there. But yeah, sorry, we're still like in construction with my wall right here, so it's been 4 days that we've been doing it, me and my boyfriend. We started on Valentine's Day, and it takes like 1 hour to do 1 strip. So back to the topic, when I do the second one and then when I do the third one, so we can see like the whole process of it, because I feel like my face is so clear like compared to before, and it just feels extremely clean, like it really does. So I think this is really good. I'm excited to get the next one. I got my facial done on Saturday. Today is Wednesday, and this is my first time applying makeup since then. It's been 4 days since I've had the facial done, and yeah, I just wanted to put this video in real quick just so you guys can see how it looks with makeup and without, and my face just looks so much better. So yeah, give me a thumbs up if you thought this video was good. Subscribe down below if you guys haven't. Don't forget to put the ring bell notification so you guys can get notified when I post. And thanks for watching.